Hey guys, are you looking for the perfect combination of elegance and functionality? Meet the Sakringt S801 Cordless Table Lamp, your go-to solution for portable, stylish lighting. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this lamp is designed to enhance your space with ease and sophistication. So on this video, it's going to be an unboxing and a product overview video. So let me show you what's inside the box and how the product looks, and then I'll show you the features of how well that this tabletop lamp is. So when you first open it up, you have this foam. So this is going to protect the lamp. This comes with two lamps. You can see right here. And then it has your USB-C charging cord and your instructions. So when you take off the plastic from the lamp, you can see the lamp. It's a nice minimalistic style lamp. It's lightweight, has a good feel to it. Here's your power button. So with this, you also change to the different light modes that it comes with. On the back is your USB-C charging port. On the bottom, it has like a nice rubber textured material. So that way this won't slip and it won't damage your furniture when you lay it down there. So let me show you the different features that this tabletop lamp has. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply plug the lamp into the charger using the included cable. Once fully charged, you're ready to go. No wires, no hassle. The Sakringt S801 comes with an intuitive dimming feature, allowing you to easily adjust the brightness to suit any mood or setting. Thanks to its rechargeable battery, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of continuous use on a single charge, making it perfect for all day or all night events. And because it's wireless and portable, you can take it anywhere, whether it's your dining table, bedside, or even your outdoor space. Worried about the elements? The Sakringt S801 is designed to withstand various weather conditions, making it an ideal choice for outdoor use. This tabletop lamp doesn't just perform, it looks good doing it. Its modern minimalistic design seamlessly blends with any decor style, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. This tabletop lamp creates a relaxing ambience indoors. So the Sakringt S801 Cordless Table Lamp combines elegance, practicality, and portability in one stunning package. Perfect for any occasion, any space, and any weather. Are you ready to elevate your lighting game? Click the link below to order yours today and experience the perfect blend of style and functionality. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.